This is not normal animal behavior. This is very abnormal. This is a recent story. May 3rd, more than a dozen lambs killed in a dog attack. And guess what? There's only one dog. One dog. 14 lambs and 16 animals were killed by one dog. And do you know what they're going to do? They're going to launch this campaign called "It's Not Your Dog's Fault, It's Yours," conducted by the Department of Rural and Community Development. No, this is the dog's fault, very much so. All of you dog people, this is very abnormal behavior. You could say this if the dog only killed one and fed on it. This mutant killed one, then killed another, and just kept going all the way up to 14 without eating any of them. No other animal does that. No, we're going to examine this thing's behavior. See, that's what they're trying to get people to overlook with little slogans like this. Don't pay any attention to it. It's animal behavior. That's the goal, projected as normal behavior for animals. You have to give pushback to that if they can't provide another animal as an example that does this. No other animal does this. Dogs need to be held accountable for their actions. You give them all the credit in the world for being a good boy. Hold them accountable for being bloodthirsty killers that kill for sport simply because they get off on the feeling that they get when they kill. Again, no other animal is like this.